Just gonna center punch these, so I'm just backing them out, gonna center punch them, and then take it over to the mill and drill them out. All right, so got these holes drilled out in here, and I drilled them to 7/16, so that's 437 thousandths. I didn't quite catch the whole edge on this one. I didn't quite catch the whole edge on that side, but I'm going to go ahead and put a 303 spacer on either side. It's like I said, I drilled it for 7/16, so that's 437 thousandths, but I'll make it a little over, so I'll probably go like 439, like 2 thousandths over, and then press fit them in, and then I'll drill a hole, through hole for the screw, and it's just a little less than 1/4 inch. So I'll make 1/4 inch holes so they'll have a little bit of play. And Alright, so got the part, kind of gonna just give it a trial fit here, and it just gets started in there barely, so I think that'll make a really good press fit. Alright, so just going to park these off at 390. We got 400 thousandths on the face of the cast part, so just going to come in 390 thousandths. And there's 1, 2, 3, 90 right there. Alright, got our little parts cut here, and that's what they look like. You can see there's a little burr on there, and I'm just going to knock that off with a little 400 grit wet dry, and you can see the screws fly through there, because you know when you use a drill bit it always over drills, oversize a little. So that's pretty good. I figured this side was the real bad side, right? But I figured this side was also pretty wore out, so I just went ahead and did that. There was a big gap in there, so that looks good. Looking good. Just a little progress. Here's what they look like. Use this shark hide product on these guys here, and we'll see how it works. Dad says it works really good. He likes it. He's happy with it. So, all right. So here's a little progress. I have I just have a quick little coat of paint on there, and nothing crazy. Maybe do the base. Maybe we're gonna get a little help over here that can actually help me lift, rock the thing over and get some cardboard under it. But yeah, just getting ready to mess with this. All right, so here it is, pretty much final assembly. I'll just go ahead and show you what I got going on so far. It's pretty much done. Just need to put some belts on it, and it's pretty much good to go. Far cry from what it was. So just gonna go ahead and replace these belts now. Here's the old one. It's cracking this. See if I can show that. Not near time to replace that one. So here's the new one. Go ahead and get this on. All right, so here she is, pretty much done. Just got to get some grinding wheels for it now. Start. New belt. Everything's pretty. Everything's looking real pretty. This is nice and tight now. Everything runs nice and smoothly. Really nice. Far cry from what it was. And yeah. Thanks for watching, and appreciate the support, everybody that checks out my videos. And like I said, I'll have some more machining stuff coming up. Just had to kind of take a break to get this grinder. It was such a good deal. I couldn't pass it up for the little bit of work I put into it. $150 is still a great deal. So anyway, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Leave a like and a comment. I really appreciate it. Really, like I said, I want to get my channel going again. So thanks a lot, guys. I appreciate it.